Welcome. Today, we're focusing on nouns, one of the building blocks of language. We'll explore how to kick off each lesson with engaging starters that bring nouns to life. These quick activities are designed to spark curiosity and set the tone for deeper learning throughout the day. Let's dive in. Let's take a closer look at different types of nouns. We have a list here, words like river, London, crew, courage, and Sarah. Our task is to sort them into 4 groups: common nouns, proper nouns, collective nouns, and abstract nouns. Common nouns are everyday things or people. Proper nouns name specific places or people. Collective nouns refer to groups, and abstract nouns capture ideas or qualities. This exercise helps us understand how language organizes the world around us. Let's take a closer look at how we can sort these nouns into 4 clear categories: common, proper, collective, and abstract. Common nouns name everyday things like river, friend, library, and mountain. Proper nouns are specific names like London and Sarah. Collective nouns group individuals together, such as crew and flock. Finally, abstract nouns represent ideas or qualities we can't touch, like health, courage, and independence. This sorting helps us understand how language organizes the world around us. Now, we're looking at a set of sentences where we need to choose the best noun to complete each one. This exercise helps us focus on understanding the role nouns play in different contexts, like the sun shining brightly, or a team gathering for an event. After selecting the right word, we're encouraged to create our own sentence using that noun. It's a simple way to build vocabulary and see how these words fit naturally into everyday language. Here, we're focusing on choosing the best noun to fit each sentence. For example, when the sun is shining brightly, the right noun is simply sun. When meeting friends, friends works best. We pick team for a group of students and hope when talking about what keeps us going. Finally, sight fits perfectly when describing a calm river. After selecting the right noun, you'll get a chance to write your own sentence using it. Let's keep practicing. Here, we have a set of scrambled words, all abstract nouns. Your task is to unscramble each one, then use it in a sentence that shows you understand its meaning. This exercise helps sharpen both vocabulary and grammar skills. Remember to start sentences with capital letters and end with full stops. It's a great way to connect word recognition with practical use. Let's see how well you can decode and apply these concepts. Now we're focusing on abstract nouns, words that name feelings, qualities, or ideas. The challenge is to unscramble each one, then use it correctly in a sentence. Remember, every sentence needs a capital letter at the start and a full stop at the end. This exercise helps us understand not just the words themselves, but how to express complex concepts clearly and accurately. Let's see how well we can handle these important parts of language. Now, let's focus on filling in the blanks with the right nouns. These sentences invite us to think carefully about the words that fit best, from something we check often to a feeling that suddenly comes over someone. We'll explore ideas like trust, growth, and even the simple image of birds soaring overhead. This exercise helps us sharpen our understanding of how nouns shape meaning in everyday language. Let's dive in and see what fits. Now let's look at some sentences where we fill in the blanks with the right nouns. These examples show how nouns fit naturally into everyday language, from checking your phone, to feeling contentment, to watching a flock of birds soar. Each sentence paints a little picture, helping us see how nouns give life and meaning to our thoughts. Remember, these answers are just suggestions. Other nouns could work too, depending on the context. As we wrap up, take a moment to reflect on your answers from each day. Use a tick or a cross to mark how accurate you think they were. This simple self-assessment helps us see where we're confident and where there's room to grow. It's a key step in learning and improving every day. This video was created with SlideSpeak. Visit SlideSpeak to turn your presentations into engaging AI-narrated videos.